Hey fam, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a Dollar Tree haul, but before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. See you guys in a second. Now what I'm going to be showing you guys first is these cute loofahs that I found for the boys for bath time. I really just thought they were cute, so that's why I got them. And I also found some matching little towelettes, or kind of like washcloths, face towels to go with them. Thought that was cute too, so just got those. And of course we got some lavender bubble bath because lavender works wonders for our boys, puts them right out. We got some toothpaste, kid toothpaste, and we also got these cute toothbrush sets and also some little toothbrushes for baby Alex. We also got these really cute cereal bowls for the boys to be able to drink their favorite part of the cereal, the milk, through the little straw. Those are really cute, so we got those. And we also got them some spoons and forks to keep practicing with because metal isn't always what works best for them. So we got those, and we also got some cups with straws attached because the boys love straws, and sometimes straws help with spills. Me and Bae just got these two loofahs just because. Next we got some kitchen stuff to wash dishes. Some I forgot what these things are called, and we got some Brillo pads. We really just got a lot of stuff just to test it out to see what works. We got these washcloths, but more than likely they're going to be like dish rags or cleaning cloths, not really washcloths. We also picked up some gloves. You can never go wrong with gloves when cleaning up. Always need gloves to protect your hands. And they are an 8-pack, so we got 2 of those. And those are just more, I guess kind of like Brillo pads to scrub the stove and stuff like that, pots. These little things were pretty cool. They're kind of like they're to help you not use as many paper towels when you're cleaning up, and you can just throw them right away. I used them already. Actually, I wiped down the mirrors, and then after I was done wiping the mirrors, I actually wet them and wiped the counters down, and they worked really well, so I will buy those again. These are just pitchers that we got just because we needed some new pitchers, just for water or juice sometimes for the kids. These are little clips for potato chips and stuff like that. This is the Dollar Tree version of soft soap, and it's actually not that good, so I don't think I'm going to be buying that again. These are just car air fresheners that we just picked up just because. This is just a spray bottle for cleaning, to mix up different cleaning solutions that we want to clean up with around the house. And here we have just some dusters for like the fans and little furniture in the living room and stuff like that. These little cool things is the blue stuff that the kids say that's in the toilet, but it's actually a bottle, and you can turn it upside down and you hook it on the side of the toilet, and it cleans your toilet after every flush. My tongue is so twisted, y'all. But we have 3 bathrooms, so we got 3 of those. This is the Dollar Tree version of, I think it's called Scrubbing Bubbles. So just some foaming bathroom cleaner. We got 3 of those also, I believe. Or we may have gotten just 2 because we only have 2 actual bathtubs. This is just some Lysol. We like to keep all the cleaning products in the actual bathroom instead of traveling all everywhere with them. So that's why we got pretty much 3 of everything. We have 3 bathrooms. Definitely have 3 toilets. So we got plenty of stuff to clean the toilet. And these also are for to clean your toilet after every flush. I've actually used these before, and I think I like the tablets better than the actual upside down bottle that I just showed you guys. This is some bleach that is actually lemon scented, and we also got, I believe, lavender or some kind of flower smelling. We love to clean with bleach, but sometimes the smell is a little too strong for the kids. So we got this. We wanted to try these scented ones that we found in Dollar Tree just to see if it'll make a big difference. Now this next thing I'm about to show you guys is some cleaning vinegar. I actually saw this from Southern Smoke Boss wife Terry. Shout out to them. She was cleaning her bathroom with it, and she said that she loved it. So when we went in Dollar Tree, I said I've got to try that, because we also do clean with vinegar, but we didn't know they actually had a cleaning vinegar. So that was awesome. And next we do have some awesome that is just an all-purpose cleaner to spray down tubs, walls, the toilet, pretty much anything you want to use a all-purpose cleaner for. We picked up a lot of all-purpose cleaners because we really want to see which one that we like best, or which one's going to work best or clean the best. So we got a lot of different those. You see the Comet, the Spick and Span. They're really kind of all the same. Now this cleaner is just our favorite, period. So this is just a refill. This awesome actually is awesome. More Comment. That's the same as the other ones. Multi-surface cleaners. Fabuloso. That is to mop with. Well, it's really another all-purpose cleaner. We really use all these cleaners for different things. Oven clean. We got some oven cleaner, and I actually think it foams. Glass cleaner. I'm not sure if it's good or not, but we will let you guys know. And now to my favorite part, the smell goods. We got some tea tree candles, and I also got some of these wax, I think they're called like wax holders. Well, wax candle, what is that called, babe? Wax candle warmers or something like that.
Just candle warmers, though.
I thought they was wax candle warmers. Either way, we got 4 of those to go into all the different rooms. We got some furniture polisher. We really don't have a lot of furniture that you can actually polish, so we just got that just because. Blue called these Orbeez, but they are not. Just some smell goods to go in the bathroom. I see them at the nail shop often, and they smell pretty good, so we're gonna see if they work up in our house.
We got all the scents. Hey.
And we also got, this one is in a powder form, I believe, kind of like, it's different from the Orbeez looking ones. So we got these to see which one is going to work better,
and if there's a difference in the aroma, because some of these came in different scents that you couldn't get the Orbeez in scent in. And
we got all these air fresheners to go with the actual other air fresheners. These all air fresheners. We got all the air freshener.
The time release ones.
Right, time release. You know what I'm trying to say, babe.
I know, that's why I was helping you out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've been tongue-tied the whole time. Sorry, y'all. But these are lavender. Of course, you know we got to get the lavender. Fabric, not fabric. I'm trying to say fabric softener. Yes, Febreze, but Dollar Tree version.
Yeah, we did this Dollar Tree haul.
And we actually have been having some problems with sugar ants, so we got that for them.
Yes, they have been coming. Like, everybody's been saying they've been having a problem with the ants migrating inside this season. It's been crazy.
So that is pretty much all we got from Dollar Tree. If you have any products that you would like to suggest, leave it down below. Or if you want to see us use some of these products, leave that down below also. And until next time, you guys.
Love y'all, fam.